Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video, just like the title says, we are taking off my acrylics. I wanted a longer set and I have cover powders and clear and glitter powder and all kinds of stuff, so I just wanted to start fresh. I use my cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles, and also I remove the length. I just take some straight edge nail clippers, and right where my natural nail stops, that's where I give it a clip. All you do is go on the underside and just to the very edge, to the tip, you clip, and they usually just snap right across. I list the bits that I use in this, but I will also put everything in the description box below for you guys with a link to where I got them. Same thing with my nail drill and also the dust collector that I use as well. So throughout this video, you'll see my entire process. It is completely sped up. It's definitely not this fast. Overall, it took 15 minutes for me to remove this one hand completely. So on average, it's about 40 minutes or so to do both hands, because I am a little bit slower on my non-dominant hand, obviously. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, drop a comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. But I'll just let you guys watch the video from here on out and let me know what you guys think. And as always, take care.